Welcome to Smart Grid Infratech. Discover a new world of clean energy. Today, we are presenting installation of 3 kilowatt solar on-grid system at Sudha Garu's residence, Khammam. This is installed under PM Surya Ghar subsidy scheme and will receive Rs 78,000 as subsidy. Here installed 6 numbers of 530 watt peak mono-PERC bifacial solar panels of Sudha brand. This 3 kilowatt will save up to Rs 4,000 electricity bill per month. This comes with 30 years of solar panels warranty, 7 years of inverter warranty, 5 years of free service,